Hello and welcome back. I want to introduce you to another one of my cold smokers. This is the Norman smoker and it comes all the way from Norway from a company called Matroyk. It arrived in kit form just before the pandemic and I assembled it in just under an hour. Luckily it came with a great set of instructions to help me. I've had this cold smoker in my garden now for a few years and I've used it several times for smoking meat, fish and veg. It has a hinged lid on the top which can be locked open using this screw on the side. It also has a fine mesh screen at the top of the cold smoker to keep insects from getting into the main body of the smoker. Inside the wooden smoker it has bars which sit in cutouts on either side. These bars can be set at different heights depending on what you're smoking, and there's even space in the hinged roof for a bar to suspend longer items. The smoker comes with metal hooks that can be used to hang meat or fish in the smoker, if that's your preferred method. On the front of the smoker there's an access door with a similar fine mesh panel as to the one on the top of the smoker. Behind this door you have a sliding access panel allowing you into the main body of the smoker. This is where your smoke generator sits. The Norman smoker stands about a metre high and is about 600mm wide by 600mm deep. It's made entirely from softwood and once weathered in makes a great addition to your garden. The company who manufacture and distribute this smoker have a Facebook presence with lots of interesting information and their other products on there too. The eagle-eyed amongst you would have seen me using this smoker in some of my previous videos. I'll leave a link in the description. But when I've been using it in these videos, I've used it with the ProQ Artisan cold smoke generator. Having said that, the Norman cold smoker does come with its own electrical cold smoke generator. Now this is a low voltage smoke generator running at 12 volts AC. It draws 3 amps and has a rating of 32 watts. It's fed by a 230 volt AC 50 Hz double insulated step down transformer. As this comes out of Norway currently, it has a mains adapter for running this from a UK 3-pin power outlet. The smoke generator uses these small square beech blocks that sit directly onto the heating element. Each block is heated to produce smoke and lasts for around about 30 minutes. The whole smoke generator assembly sits on a ceramic tile base in the floor of the Norman smoker, and there is a small cutout in the front panel to allow the cable to pass through. Well, this is a great little smoker that can sit in your garden and will meet your cold smoking needs. I've used it for several projects throughout the last couple of years. I've smoked salt with it, I've done loads of salmon in this, I've even smoked some chilies and some eggs in it. I find it a very easy smoker to use. It's got lots of protection to stop bugs getting in, and you can also use your own smoke generator within it without any problems whatsoever. Have a look at their website, check out their Facebook page and let me know what you think in the comments. Well, I hope you liked the video and the smoker, and if you did, please consider giving the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out some of our other content, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye now.